Hello friends, welcome to Civil Tech Constructions. In this video, I will show you the 150 square yards house. Here you can see the first elevation part of this house. In this elevation, in here you can see the light colors and dark colors and tiles. And here we discuss about this topic of elevation in the last of this video, and I will show you this house elevation. You can see here the total part of elevation, and we will go inside. Let me check in inside of the building. First, door frames, and we will entrance into the ground floor only. And here you can see the puja room, mandir, and this hall. This is a single bedroom house, and here you can see the false ceiling design. And going to the next kitchen part, here you can see the kitchen full part, tiles, the tiles design you can observe here, and granite platform, and here the sink is steel sink installed here, and this granite have the small putty and small border, water flowing to this steel basin, wash basin. And coming to other part in the kitchen, uh, there is shelves and small switchboard for mixer and rice cooker for that use, and shelves for storage shelves, and above the sunshade, and top false ceiling design. This hall is ready for the carpenter work. Here you can see the different thicknesses of plywood boards and plywoods, 18 inches and 9 inches and 6 inches. Different sizes is available here on site, ready for the make. And we are going to the top of the building. Top of the building means first floor. It's first floor, and yeah, this is the two-stair building only. So inside this first floor building, you can see the door frames and window frames are same sizes, big sizes, and you can observe here the ceiling part in the hall, living area. And coming to the puja room, mandir, here you can see the tiles, what the design, in the tiles design foam is laid texture. And in the hall, the dining room ceiling is you can observe, and washing area. And here you can see the kitchen area, kitchen part. At the ground floor and first floor, you can observe the area of kitchen is here the bigger. Carpenter work is running here. So we are entering into the first bedroom. Here you can see the first bedroom, ventilation, window, and cupboards, means wardrobe, and uh, this is the door, WPC door for this bathroom. And we can go and check these tiles, what is the design they are laid. White color tiles, in the middle flower designs, and at the bottom granite texture design. Luxury tiles here laid. And coming to the second bedroom entrance, and door frames, and first ceiling part, ceiling design you can observe here, and the two ventilation, one door and two windows, and this is the wardrobe, the shelves, and this is the bathroom tiles designs, and this is the common bathroom. The tiles design you can see here, white color and dolphins. And next, coming to the part elevation. Here you can see the elevation is under construction. Elevation part, this 150 square yard house elevation. Here you can see the light color at left side and a dark color at right side, and at middle, here you can see observe the tiles, small tiles, and full picture of after completion of total elevation part. These small tiles, they are used for elevation, for good looking. That's it. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe this my channel Civil Tech Constructions.